Hello everyone, my name is Shashmishri and welcome to my channel Shashmi's World. Today I present to you a very easy, simple and yet tasty cake known as lemon blueberry cake. Since I'm making it in a loaf pan, you can also call it as lemon blueberry loaf. To make this amazing tasty cake, we need 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, pinch of salt, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of butter, half cup of Greek yogurt or buttermilk. Today I took buttermilk, 2 eggs, half cup of blueberries. You can take frozen or fresh, but just don't use the wet ones. Today I washed it and used it immediately. I didn't pat it dry, so all my blueberries sunk down to the bottom of the cake. So pat dry before using. So let's get started on how to make this cake. First, I'll take 2 tablespoons of the butter and I'll mix it with the sugar. The rest of the butter, I'll pop it into microwave and melt it so that it becomes easier for me to whisk it. So I'll mix the sugar and soft butter with the help of a fork, and then to that I'll add my melted butter and start whisking it. I'll whisk it until it reaches that light pale yellow color and little fluffy in texture. After that, to that I'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, vanilla essence. That will give a nice vanilla flavor to the cake. That won't be too overpowering, but it will be a little mild. Now I'll start adding the eggs one by one. I'll be using 2 eggs in total. I'll add the egg and start whisking it again. Once that is done, I am using 1 large lemon today. First I'll use the zest of the lemon because that gives a very nice subtle lemony flavor throughout the cake, and it's very refreshing. Don't put the white part because it will make the cake bitter. I'll add the juice of the same lemon to the batter. Avoid adding the seed of the lemon. Once that is done, I will now start pouring in the buttermilk mixture and the dry mixture simultaneously and mix them properly. I'll do it in batches. First goes the buttermilk, then the dry ingredients, and again the same. I'll whisk everything properly. And once everything is mixed, I've taken blueberries and added 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and have coated it properly. I'll add the blueberry mixture to this fluffy cake batter which is ready. I'll mix it in a cut and fold procedure. Once the blueberries mixed properly into the batter, I'll now transfer the batter into my pre-greased loaf pan. I'll tap it. Avoid any air bubbles in the batter. Now we'll bake this cake at 350 Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes or until the skewer comes out clean from the cake. Mine took somewhere around 48 minutes to bake. As you can see, it's baked perfectly. It looks golden on the outside and it's moist from the inside. I'll do a light lemon glaze for this cake. For that, I have taken 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you need the lemon glaze to be more sweet, then you can go ahead and add 2 more tablespoons of sugar. I took 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'll mix it and then I'll pour it on the cake. Using powdered sugar in this method makes the glaze more fine and tasty. This lemon glaze will give some extra sweetness and it will keep the cake very moist. Now I'll cut the cake. And you can see it looks amazing and it tastes very tasty. It's very simple to make and I hope you all enjoyed this recipe and you will make it. Hope to see you soon. Bye.